Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the World Bank, and further we are also going to discuss the various institutions under it and also the reports which are published by the World Bank. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of what exactly the organization or institution is. See, it is an international financial institution, okay, that provides loans to developing countries for various capital programs and at the same time has a fully dedicated investment disputes settlement center, which is also called ICSID. So basically it's a financial institution that provides credit or finance to mainly developing countries so that they can grow, so that their infrastructure is supported and they can contribute in the development of the world's economy. Now it basically comprises of two institutions, namely International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, okay, and International Development Association. So IBRD was formed along with IMF through Bretton Woods Conference in 1944. Okay, now let us talk about its formation. So as I said, it was formed along with IMF through Bretton Woods Conference, okay, in 1944, and at the conclusion of the Uruguay round. The headquarters of the organization is in Washington DC, US, and its current president is David Malpass, and MD, that is Managing Director, is Anshula Kant. Now currently it has 189 members in total, and its latest member is Nauru, which joined it in 2016. And the motto of the organization is working for a world free of poverty. So the basic aim of this organization is to reduce or rather eliminate the poverty from the globe. So what are its main goals or objectives? See, the first target is to end extreme poverty from the world, and it has fixed a target of reaching 3% by 2030. Okay, so the extreme poverty which is there, especially in the African countries, it wants to remove that. So it has also fixed a target for the same, that is, it wants to reach 3% by 2030. Now it also wants to promote shared prosperity. So it aims to do so by increasing the income of the poorest 40% of the people in every country of the world. Okay, so it wants to increase the income also, and that too of the poorest 40% people of every country in this world. Now, World Bank Group organizations. See, there are basically 5 organizations and each is having a specific purpose. So let us discuss them in detail. The first one is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So this was formed in 1944, and the aim of this is to grant credit or loans to the public organizations for capital programs mostly. Okay, capital programs as in the infrastructure, the in education, the reduction of poverty. So any kind of program which is for the betterment of the society, okay, for the improvement of the lifestyle. So that is what is a capital program. So it serves middle income countries only. Now, International Finance Corporation was formed in 1956, and it provides loans to the private entities and financial institutions of the developing countries. So the point to remember over here is that it is providing loans to the developing countries and only the private institutions. We discussed that in IBRD it provides loans to the only government organizations, but this International Finance Organization provides loans to only private entities, okay, and also the commercial banks, okay, financial institution. The other one is International Development Association. See, this was formed in 1960 and it grants loans to the poorest countries of the world, okay. So the main aim of this is to reduce or eliminate the poverty from these regions. So the basic point over here is that it is providing loans only to very poor countries of the world. So the main aim or the main problem over in these countries is the poverty. So it wants to remove this poverty by fixing targets. Now the other one is International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, or ICSID. So it was formed in 1966. So all the disputes relating to the investments in the countries are settled at this platform. Okay, so whenever there is a kind of dispute relating to the investment in other countries, so then the whatever their concerns are, they are settled at this platform, which is known as ICSID. Now the other one is the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. So it promotes investing in politically risky countries by securing the respective country against any insecurity, right? So the basically what it does is it helps or it secures the countries which invest in a politically risky country, for example like Syria, Afghanistan, because there is civil war going on. And if any company invests, okay, starts up its business in these countries, then the MIGA or Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency secures that particular company or country against any uncertainty, okay. Now what are the reports that are published by World Bank? The first is the Global Economic Prospects Report. So it talks about the economic policies of the various countries and the repercussion of the same on the world economy, okay. So whatever economic policies are formed by the countries, be it monetary policy, fiscal policy, all the policies are being reviewed by the World Bank through this report, and then the repercussions on the world economy are also talked about. Now, ease of doing business report. How feasible and economic it is to conduct business in world is being reported through this report. So how the world economy is performing, okay, which country is safe for investment, that is all is published in this report. Now the other report is World Development Report. So it provides in-depth analysis of specific aspects of economic development. So in the past, topics such as agriculture, youth, labor, health, etc. have been covered in this, okay. Now the last report, that is Logistics Performance Report or Index, it is reported by the World Bank in every 2 years, okay. In every 2 years they publish this report, and it is based on the worldwide survey of the stakeholders, okay, on the grounds, providing feedback on the logistics friendliness in the countries. Logistics is basically relating to the distribution, okay, distribution of goods and services. So they talk about what is the logistics friendliness of the countries and in which they operate and with which they trade with. Now let us practice some important questions. Which one of the following report is not published by the World Bank? See, we discussed that all the reports like Global Economic Prospects, World Development are published, but World Economic Outlook report is published by International Monetary Fund. So the correct answer would be option B. Now the next question is, which is dispute settlement body of World Bank? IDA, ICSID, MIGA, IBRD. See, we discussed that to settle the disputes related to investment, there's a platform which is ICSID. Okay, that is International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. So correct answer would be option B for this. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.